Yeah, so I just pulled up to the paint shop. Look at my baby. Yeah, she is so pretty. Like gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Yeah, she looks so good, so good. Hold on, I'm gonna flip the camera for y'all. Like, be for real. Y'all see the little flake in her? So gorgeous. And of course, he got it parked next to his. Y'all see what it is. Gifted hands. Look at them out here stunting. Now it's time to go see my other baby, the big baby. Cause y'all, I'm so excited. So excited. Y'all, do y'all see? I know y'all be getting y'all got little hints because I was sharing the lives, but y'all, so pretty. Like, so pretty. I can't stop smiling. My face hurt already. So pretty. And I brought my bumper support and my lights, so we're gonna get that put on so we can get the full vision. But y'all, he did his thing, his big one. My girl out here ready to stunt. Yeah, like I'm really speechless, really at a loss of words because she looks so good. Like, it's exactly how I envisioned her. That picture I had in my head, and I was like, yeah, it needs to be this type of pink. Bike gotta be this type of pink. I need this and that and this. Executed 100%. Yeah, look at my babies. Look at my babies. And not too much on my gap in the lights. I left some pieces at home. But y'all, look at the kids. Like, be for real. Be for real. Y'all, when I tell you he snapped, did his big one, and the turnaround time was crazy. If you've been watching, then you know, like, I just dropped my bike off, like the beginning of this week. I dropped the car off end of last week, and they both finished pristine, gorgeous. Like, the detailing, gorgeous. Like, when I tell y'all, I am obsessed. And y'all talking about, why would you get the bike painted? You don't know how to ride it. Why not? It's not y'all bike. Why wouldn't I get it to match the car if I can? Y'all know what it is. But y'all, gifted hands, Sumter, South Carolina, Mr. Derek Holston. He does not miss. Y'all couldn't tell me nothing before, but now it's really nothing y'all can say to me. Don't play. Like, I don't think I could put a big enough emphasis on how happy I am with the turnout. Not only the turnout, but the service. Like, I'm really amazed at the turnaround time. A lot of y'all were talking about, my car's been sitting in paint for a month. The guy says it's too hot, he don't want to work. I ain't have them problems. I did not have them problems. It was like, soon as I dropped everything off, like, he started working on it that same day. Same day, stuff was getting sanded, primed, prepped, everything. Same day, no hesitation. A1. And this is his contact info for y'all, because I know y'all finna blow me up about it. So take a screenshot, write it down, picture, whatever y'all need to do. Tap in. Look at, he finna go pull my car up on the trailer. Y'all hear my girl tapping? Everything chopped.